Assalamu alaikum students. The question that we are doing right now, that is question number 8 of exercise 13a of book D-1, and the question is here. The question is saying the perimeter of a rectangular field is 70 meter. This is a rectangular field, and the perimeter means the sum of the border line, the sum of this point from this and this. If this is point 1, 2, 3 and 4, then the sum of all the length is equals to perimeter. So we can say according to the question P is equals to 70 meter. Then they are saying length is 15 meter longer than its breadth. So it's mean we have information about length and we have information about breadth. What they are saying, if breadth is B, breadth is unknown, that is B, then what is the length? The length is 15 meter longer than its breadth. So that is the condition. And then they are saying the field is surrounded by the concrete path. This one is a rectangular field and the green area is a concrete path. And what they are saying, they are asking to find the area of this path. They are asking to find the area of this green part. So we can find it. Area of path. What we need to find? This. So according to this, if this is length, then length is equals to B plus 15 and this is B. And they have given us one of the information that P is equals to 70. According to the formula of rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle is P is equals to 2 times length plus breadth. That is a basic formula. We need to put the value of L and the value of B and the perimeter. Perimeter is 70 meter. 2 from the formula. L is 15 meter plus B and the breadth is B. We can say 70 meter equals to 2 times 15 meter. B plus B is equals to 2B. This 2 can be shifted here to make itself as a divisor. Then it will be 15M plus 2B. 2 ones are 2, ones are 2 and 2 35s are 70, and that is 15 plus 2B. This number should be shifted here. 35 meter minus 15 meter equals to 2B. 35 minus 15 will be 20 meter and this 2 will be divided by here. So B is equals to 10 meter. So B is 10 meter. Then what will be the L? L is 15 meter longer than its breadth. So L is equals to 15 meter plus 10 meter. So L is equals to 25 meter. So according to the given question, L is equals to 25 meter and B is equals to 10 meter. So we can find the area of this smaller rectangular field, and after that we have to find the area of the whole bigger rectangle, and that is the process. Now we are proceeding toward the process. So for area of small rectangle is equals to A is equals to length multiplied by breadth. And what is length? Length was 25 meter. 25 meter and breadth is 10 meter. So the area of the smaller rectangle is 250 meter square. We can say that is the area number 1. Then we can see again the figure in this figure, the length from this point to this point is 25. So we can say if this is 25 meter, then it will be 2.5 meter and it will be 2.5 meter. We can say if this length is 10 meter, then it will be 5 meter and it will be 5 meter. So the total length of this whole rectangular path is, for area of bigger rectangle. What is the area of the bigger rectangle? The area of the bigger rectangle will be 2.5 plus 25 plus 2.5. What will be the length? 2.5 meter plus 25 meter and 2.5 meter. For breadth, what it will be? If this length is 10 and this is 5 and 5, then it will be 5 meter plus 10 meter and then again 5 meter. 25 and 5 will be 30 meter and it will be 20 meter. So the length of bigger rectangle is 30 meter and the breadth of bigger rectangle is 20 meter. So for area 2 is equals to length into breadth, that is 30 meter into 20 meter, that will be 3 2s are 6 and that is 600 meter square. Then after they are asking about the area of a concrete path. So for this, what we need to do? Required area is equals to A2 minus A1, that is equals to 600 meter square minus 250 meter, that is equals to 350 meter square, and that is required area of a concrete path. So that is a solution of this question.